True happiness and fulfillment come when you feel that you are making a valuable contribution to your world. Have you ever sat at your computer, a cup of coffee in hand that long since cool, staring at a blank screen and wondering why you can't seem to think of anything to write? It's the dreaded writer's block. The good news is there are ways to break you out of that frustrating, time-wasting trap. You can draw inspiration from your own life to help you break through the rigid wall of writer's block. By looking at your own life and taking a closer look at your experiences, you can come up with new ideas for your books. Whether it's a childhood memory, a recent event, or an observation of everyday life, there are many ways to find your unique ideas and unlock your creativity. And sharing your story is a great way to find inspiration for your book. In this video, you will discover how to use your own life to generate countless book ideas. Start by thinking about your life story. If you are struggling to come up with new, creative writing topics, think about all the major events in your life. This includes both the good and the bad, the successes and the failures. Write down your most memorable or defining moments. Write everything down, as these may jog new ideas from other memories or events. By doing this alone, you should have a solid launch pad for starting your writing. If you are still struggling to come up with writing ideas, here are a few examples to consider. You can write about your first love, your first heartbreak, or complex family relationships. Set the scene and build up to that moment when it ignited or came crashing down. People also love reading a great hero's journey story. You could write about a time when you overcame struggles such as losing a job, crushing debt, or a major injury. If you are ready to tackle a more vulnerable topic, you could write about your trauma, such as the grief from loss and what your life looks like now. Or it could be about a funny incident, such as a comedy of errors based on a misunderstanding or miscommunication that led to a surprising outcome. All of these can have an underlying theme of an important lesson you learned in life, so that your reader can relate to you and take something powerful away from your book. These are just a few of the options available to you. Take a few moments to brainstorm, using these as guides to writing down as many different ideas as you can. The idea here is to start with as many as possible, whether you think they are good or bad. Pick a topic and expand on it. As you expand further on these topics, capture the emotions and feelings that you experienced during those events. This is important to help your reader feel connected to your writing. Your reader needs an emotional connection to the events, so they feel like they are there with you, experiencing it themselves. As you expand further on your narrative, make sure you describe how those events changed you as a person. What lessons did you learn from those life-changing experiences? How did that impact you in your life going forward? You now have an idea for a book from your own life experience. With all this information you have collected, you now have the foundation for your book idea. The last step is to put all this information into an outline and framework. Take your main idea and break it down into chapters. Now you have made the task of writing your book much easier. The last step to finish your book is to flesh out the ideas of each chapter by filling in the blanks of each chapter with the relevant details. If you find yourself staring at a blank screen, unable to come up with engaging words to write about, take a moment to reflect on your major life events, and your blank screen will be blank no more. By looking at your own life events to share the lessons you learned from them, you can overcome the wall of writer's block to find new book ideas, and your writer's block will be a thing of the past. Now the question today is this: which of your big life events will you write about in your book? Leave a comment below and I will be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to change your future, take action, and take action now. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable, share it with your friends, or for more resources on professional development, visit my website at BrianTracy.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to change your future, take action, and take action now.